Hey, good morning. We're out here at GSW Field. Got Jimmy here, myself, and Pete. Where the heck are you? You're supposed to be here this morning.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Pete left us and went to warmer weather in Florida, so come on back for a vacation. We miss you on the morning shift.
Yeah.
And the motor comes on.
All right, Pete, Jim's flying this one for you, brother. Shoot him a touch and go.
Do I have to?
Now you sounded like me, Jim.
I don't know if I'll touch or not. I don't want to be looking into the sun.
Well, Pete, you got to settle for a low pass.
Yeah. This might make the ground. Right there where I was. There we go. Almost there. There we go.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. Okay. Let's just fly around now. Have a good time. I need to do a right turn.
Hey, you know, after all these years, that's my weak move is a right turn.
I've got to do a right turn. In fact, I probably need to do right approaches again. I used to do that every once in a while. And they're not really any different. Once you get lined up, it's fine. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
See what I'm getting at?
But I can fly with 4 or 5 people up there with a left-hand pattern, but when I go into right, it's not wise for me to have more than myself and one other plane.
Yeah, I know. This is your plane. That one you sold me?
Yeah.
I'm just now getting halfway used to it.
Which one's that?
This one. This is yours.
Oh, this is my old one? Oh, okay. Or my new one, I should say.
Huh?
I said my old one, then I said, oh, I should say my new one. I never had taken it out of the box.
Well, I got 90 out of my old one.
Well, you got a bargain then.
Yeah, so I only paid 60 for this one. I thought, hey, for 60 bucks, I can afford it.
So you had it priced at 100 at Roy's?
Yeah. They give me an envelope with 90 bucks in it.
Yeah, they get a 10% cut.
Hey, that's fine, really.
Oh yeah, as then you don't got to mess with it.
I didn't have to worry about it. I thought, hey, this is really
Matter of fact, I got still 2 or 3 more I need to get rid of them. I'm gonna have to take some up there, I guess.
What are you taking?
You know, I've got those 2 that I was gonna convert to electric, but I decided I'm just gonna leave one of them's got a gas engine, one of them's got a nitro. I'm just gonna leave those engines on them and take them up there.
This one flies a hair different than my old one. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with my turns. It seems like they always nose up now. I guess I'm holding up on it. That's my trademark.
All right, Pete, there's Jim flying the Valiant for you right here at our 36-degree balmy weather.